Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by enabling and opening Control Center so you can act quickly. Open Settings, tap Control Center, and add the controls you use most. This ensures one-touch access. Once done, practice the gesture. Swipe down from the top right on Face ID iPhones or swipe up on older models. Make sure to toggle access within apps if you want it available during apps. This step sets the stage, so your frequent tools are organized and reachable immediately when you need them. Now you'll use the main controls and learn why each matters. Tap brightness to change light levels, or press firmly /long press to reveal night shift and true tone options for better display comfort. Use the media widget to pause, skip, or choose an output like AirPlay when listening. Toggle Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and orientation lock for instant connectivity and screen behavior changes. Once you've practiced, you'll move faster through common tasks, because these quick toggles replace digging into settings. Finish by tailoring Control Center so it fits your routine. Back in Settings, right arrow Control Center, drag items to reorder them. Put your top 3 controls within easy thumb reach. Add utilities like screen recording or low power mode for quick access, and remove controls you never use to reduce clutter. If Control Center doesn't open, restart your iPhone and make sure focus or screen time restrictions aren't blocking gestures. If problems persist, check for iOS updates. That often fixes unexpected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.